All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Fusion. It is the titanium model, this beautiful charcoal gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, sunroof, alloy wheels, backup camera, heated seats, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks decent. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? It does. About 6 inches from here to here. Let's check out your tire tread. And that is under 430 seconds. Let's double check that. That is right under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have a dent here with some paint off. About, about 6 inches here. On the passenger door, there's one about 4 inches, 3 to 4 inches from here to here. Dent with paint off. The rest of the door has a little chippy over here, about 1 inch. The rest of the door looks pretty good. This quarter does have a dent here, about about 9 inches from here to here. And another little dent here, less than 1 inch PDR work. And this one here does have some paint off. All right, here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dents or anything up here. Of course, power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It's just a powered seat, as you can see. We jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. Does have one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Sure, I'll turn on automatic signal, blah, blah, blah. I guess I'll do this here in a second. I don't know. Got your AM, FM, CD player on and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your heated seats right there. Got your backup camera. Pow. Got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And there's your mileage of 2691. Pretty much completes the tour. Turn on the car, turn on the fog lights. Very nice. Showed you all the stuff. Got owner's manuals. Super nice. Here's a nice shot of your sunroof from the inside out. All right. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Just notice that has a dent here. About 6 coming like this right here. About 6 inches. There it is. Right there. About 6 inches there. All right. I don't know if I showed you this, but here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on here, and your tire tread is under 430 seconds. Double check that. That's correct, under 430 seconds. Coming around. Do have a chippy here, less than 1 inch. Rear bumper. Here we have a cracking, about 3 to 4 inches from here to here. Another one right here, about 3 inches. All right, that's about it. This deck lid with a wing looks pretty good. Rear spoiler. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then of course there's your owner's manual I tucked away. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? It's got some here, I'll say 10 or more, just doesn't golf at all. The tire tread is just above 430 seconds, just a hair above it. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It does have an armrest with cup holders and rear AC vents. This door does have a dent. Looks like it has a dent down here. Crazy. Am I just crazy? I'm crazy. All right, here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Does have a dent here, about 3 to 4 inches right there. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing here. Coming around, I'll say 10 or more. Your tire tread under 430 seconds. That pretty much completes your tour. Lights are working. Car looks good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2017 Ford Fusion titanium model. Beautiful charcoal gray with black interior. 26,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.